Hello and welcome to another trading robot review video. Today we are going to review the Reindeer Scalper Pro trading robot and look at some of the optimizations which we've made for this trading robot. This has been one of the top 3 trading robots over the past few weeks in the MetaTrader marketplace, and as I'm checking right now, it is the top one. There has been a lot of chat in the forums about this trading robot, so I thought it would be worthwhile taking a look at this. So there are both a MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 version of this trading robot, and the author recommends to use it on Eurodollar, Pound Dollar and Gold in the hourly timeframes. We've also made optimizations for Dollar Yen, Dollar CAD and Euro Yen pairs. On the product description page it says that this is a mix of trend following and counter trend, but it doesn't tell you which indicators it's using. But if you do scroll down this page, you can see that it mentions the RSI and ATR indicator in the settings section. It also says that you get a free copy of MetaTrader Pro if you buy the MT4 version. If you buy the MT5 version, then you get a copy of Sea Turtle Scalper Pro. And before we proceed, I just want to tell you about our new membership site on Patreon. This is for those who want a bit more support with their trading. I'll be providing additional set files to the trading robots which we review through a process called optimization. The aim is to provide more profitable settings for the various trading robots. Also, we'll be providing our own trading robots for you to use in your own trading. If you'd like to learn more about this, have a look at the link on the page. It's www.patreon.com, which is patreon.com/Mr. Allen Forex. Brokers and VPS. In order to get the best results, please use a prime regulated broker. This just ensures that your money is safeguarded and that you get decent execution on your trades. Also, by using a VPS, which is a computer which you rent optimized for trading, you can get the best speed connectivity and minimal issues with connection. I've provided our recommended broker and VPS provider in the video description box below. Okay, moving on to the back tests. We will be using the default settings for the Reindeer Scalper Pro for Eurodollar, Pound Dollar and Gold from January 2020 until December 2020. And then we'll look at the back tests for the new optimizations. You see the Patreon logo there, just to remind you that these are for Patreon members. First up, Eurodollar. This goes from 1k to 2.9k. Doing 448 trades in 12 months and winning over 97% of them. A very nice looking chart, and you can see the volume is increasing as the count grows. Next is Pound Dollar. Looks very similar to the Euro Dollar chart. This goes from 1k to 2.6k with a 96.2% win ratio. And finally Gold. This goes from 1k to 1.4k, so not as profitable as the previous two, but still makes money. This wins almost 95% of its trades. And now moving on to our own optimizations, which are available for our Patreon members. We've done this for Dollar Yen, Dollar CAD and Euro Yen. And we've done a 1.5 risk and a 5 risk per trade back test for each. First up, Dollar Yen. The back tests on the left are the 1.5 risk per trade version, and the one on the right is the 5% per risk per trade version. So at 1.5% risk, it goes from 1k to 1.3k with a 5.4% drawdown and 94.7 winning trades. The 5% risk version goes from 1k to 2.6k, but obviously with a greater reward comes a greater risk, and the drawdown is 18%. With the Dollar CAD back test, the 1.5 risk goes from 1k to 1.5k, a 50% increase with a 11.5% drawdown. The win rate is 82.3%. Then risking 5% per trade, the count finishes at 2.9k, so almost a threefold increase, but at a higher 19.4% drawdown. Finally, Euro Yen. The 1.5 risk, we go from 1k to 1.8k with an 8% drawdown and 81.9% winning trades. With the 5%, the count swells to 3.5k from 1k, but with a 25.8% drawdown. So in summary, great looking back tests. However, with the default sets against the 20 pip take profit, each trade has a 100 pip stop, which means you need 5 winning trades for every 1 loss. I personally don't like asymmetry like this, but so long as you're aware of this and happy to still use it, it's up to you. We've seen worse asymmetry in other reviews we've done recently. Also, I've noticed that the author does have plenty of live tracking of other robots on his account. However, for some reason he doesn't have live tracking for this particular training robot, which I do find odd. It could be that it's so new that he hasn't done so yet, but I do think he should do that, considering how popular this training robot is. What I do like is that the author has made it possible to optimize the training robot, so you could possibly find good settings for other pairs, or with the existing recommended pairs, getting a positive backtest result where there isn't such a big difference between a stop loss and take profit. So if you do like this training robot, you can get this from the MetaTrader marketplace, either from the links on the screen or within the MetaTrader terminal itself. The icon for the product looks just like that I've got on the screen there. Finally, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our review, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to visit our Patreon page for more trading resources. Have a great day and see you at our next video.